Man, you need to
Good
come.
afternoon, everyone. We just stumbled upon something that was unique. First time ever seeing a 3D printed house. If you look at the walls outside, you can see the texture from, I guess, the printed machine or whatnot. This is crazy. Technology is something else. No one is living here, of course, but I don't know. Let me see if I can zoom in to see the walls inside there. It has that texture too. Yeah, they still have a few touch-ups to do on it. Yeah. Crazy thing though, it's right off a busy roadway. Let me show y'all something else. You got a island in the kitchen. And that island, you see what I'm saying? You can see how that printer marked the base of the island.
And it printed the table and the mantle for the fireplace.
Look at the table there. It got a 3D base. Now, let's go and see if we could see the fireplace. All of that's inside 3D printed.
Can you see the top, the arches?
Look at the archway there. What is that? Man, they got a big TV there. Probably about, what, about an 85 inch?
Mm-hmm. All of it's printed though.
And they got a replica on the table there. Just something different. Something different. This is in Melbourne, Florida. Well, Ugali. And if you are interested in this type of house, I'm sure they could possibly build this on your own land or whatnot. You would speak with Guy Newman, and he can hook you up, get you squared away. And if you don't like this particular floor plan, I'm sure they have many others. But anyway, something unique, something different, give it a try.